EU LPG officers living in Spain to embark. We have for a French flag and Belgium ship owner following wage scales, and if you are now sailing with let's say Qatar 80 Celsius, also the war and far away to Asia trade, and you want to be close to your family, this is 4 weeks on off. French flag for the chief officers, c'est nécessaire de parler français. Merci beaucoup pour l'attention. The wage scales, if you are living in Spain, are as follows: master 1 year experience 12,400, and the chief engineer and the 4 year experience is 15,300. Chief officer 9.1, and then 11.8, and then second officer 5.2, 5.9, third officer 3.8, 4.8, then chief engineer 12.2, 15, and then the second engineer is 9.1, 11.8, and then the third engineer 5.2, 5.9, and then the fourth engineer is 3.8, 4.8, and then the automate engineer is 7 and 8.6. So these are the wage scales. French flag and Social Security continues. This is the French Social Security, and the conditions are 4 weeks on off. If you are on board LNGs but you want to really be closer to your family and have a shorter contracts, then Embark and Disembark will be Europe. As you know, this war in Iran is having a huge advantage USA because they are selling gas to Europe. So most of the ships trades today will be from Europe to America, and then that means that you will be calling to Europe every 4 weeks, and this is a possibility. The huge ship owner that is betting in the French flag, the French gas and tank companies, and so majors. Therefore, you have a huge possibility to promote, and if you're residing in Spain, then the ship owner can employ you via Candina directly. So thank you very much indeed for your time. Like and subscribe, and then think about these possibilities to get close to your home. Thank you. Bye.